Welcome to my YouTube channel, Grow with Google Cloud.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about how to hosting N8N on Google Cloud Run. So in the Google Cloud Run, for example, you are the new to Google Cloud. So for that you have to set up a Google Cloud environment, like to create a project and all you have to set up. Then what we'll have to do, we'll check a login and then simply command we have to deploy. So how to do, let me give you some overview here. So I have already Google Cloud environment. So let me go to my directory which I have created to deployment. Okay. So now let me go to N8N workflow. Workflow. So here I want to create a N8N hosting on N8N hosting, right? So let's check all these packages, but here let me clean all. So from the scratch we'll start all these things. Let me back one step back here. Let me delete all. So okay, so now my directory clean. So uh, just to check my auth login is working or not, maybe I just auth list. If I'll see the GCP or gcloud auth list, the account ID to check. Then what I'll here, let me clear the screen. So this is the piece of command to install the N8N on the Google Cloud Run. So it will take some time, but we need to enable the API and all. So as I mentioned, so once we want to deploy into Cloud Run on the N8N, so we need to enable the API. So how to apply? Actually, I have already enabled the API. So once deployment done, so I'll show you how to enable the API as well if you are a new to Google Cloud. So you see my deployment is done and I go to uh, check my login. So as you can see, asking some basic parameter to enable, but as soon as you'll refresh your see our N8N services is already deployed, right? So here in this case I want to use my email ID and my password, and then here let me go to click on next. So here a couple of things is not mandatory, so let me click on send me the license key. Now all set, the workflow is ready, right? So this video basically how to deploy and how to create the workflow. So I'll create a separate video on this, like how to create AI workflow. So that I'll show you in detail. Now as you can see here, so my AI workflow now I created. For example, if I want to ask something like, hi, Can you please guide me how to deploy N8N in cloud run in GCP. So you see what is happening here. Now you see the output how is coming in the proper way, right? So whatever you can ask, so you can get in details, right? So this is one. Then other like memory, you can connect with some memory, right? Then you can connect with some tools. For example, HTTPS request tools or something. So, for example, I want to put something here, some website name, URL. See, in the Google also recently the unified search added for the document. So you just whatever you want from Google, so you can search document from here as well. Right, this is one of the good options added recently. Now I want to put this URL here. Here I want to put and execute here. Let's see. So HTTP request connected. You see, some request. I mean, successfully it's work. So similarly, like some other thing you want to use, like call N8N workflow. I want to connect with database. All right, so it's possible to connect, right? So it will fail because I have not set up N8N database, right? But we'll try to set up database as well. Similarly, so MCP server details you put here and then I just execute here. So we don't have, so that's why it's not looking. So here you can see you add the some MCP server, HTTP request, call N8N workflow tool, memory, any chat model. Also, you can use, for example, you want to open AI, you can use here AI, open AI. Again, I want to message model. For example, I want to use message model, so I can use here because I don't have the key. So, but something we can use like this. So my AI router will send that message to here, and then something I want code tool here. I code create Terraform code, something like we can create, but it will not work for me now. because I have not opened AI key which I have not mentioned here. Something like I want to add some other option like actionable app or something like human in loop or something action in app application. So I want to connect with my application, so all that will be possible here, and all together it will work, right? So I mean, this is one of the basic overview of this video, but anyway, so it will be helpful, like for example, similarly, because as you know, I have not set up the proper URL, proper authentication, proper key. So it's a huge flow. Lots of thing is required, right? So, but one thing I successfully achieved, set up a Gemini chatbot. So it's working as I saw initially, right? So hello guys, so let me conclude in this video. So this is the piece of code to deploy the cloud run, the n8n, how to deploy into cloud run. And then after deployment, so you just click on this URL, then it will open something like this. So I have already created that workflow, something like this workflow. It will show like this. And then for example, you asking something, then how it will work. See, this is the green. And then some other service you want to add on, so how to add up, I just explain in details. So I hope this video will be helpful, and looking forward to see you in the next video, and thank you for
Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Looking forward to see you in the next video.